Hello everyone, welcome to the official Bluetimes laser channel. This is our EZCAD software tutorial series, designed to take you from beginner to advanced and help you fully master this laser marking software. In this first episode, we'll cover two key topics: how to properly connect your laser machine to your computer, an introduction to the EZCAD software interface, menu bar, toolbar, and essential keyboard shortcuts. Connect the marking machine power cord and make sure the machine is powered off. Start the machine using the configuration key. Insert the USB drive and USB flash drive. Next, proceed with the on-screen instructions. Right-click the relevant item, uninstall the previously installed software driver from your computer, and follow the steps shown in the video to locate and remove the associated files. Reconnect the USB data cable and install the driver software. In that folder, find a folder called Device. All controller card drivers are stored here. Select the file that matches your computer. Right-click the unknown device, select Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Check the box next to Include subfolders. Then navigate to your EZCAD folder, Driver. If you see Device Opened Successfully in the bottom status bar, congratulations, your driver and laser machine are now successfully connected. Open the USB drive, locate the installation package, application, in the folder, and double-click it to launch and enter the EZCAD software. When you open EZCAD, the top of the interface displays the menu bar. Commonly used functions include File, New, Open, and import files such as DXF, PLT, and BMP. Edit, undo, copy, rotate, group, align, etc. Draw, shape settings, file handling, and other drawing tools. Modify, array, Boolean operations, trim, align, etc. Laser, settings for marking, including rotation angle and rotation axis. Directly below the menu bar is a toolbar containing frequently used commands like group, ungroup, combine, and split, which you can customize based on your marking requirements. In the workspace, Canvas, type some text, for example, Hello Laser. The H icon represents the fill options, which include fill path strategy, e.g., scan direction, fill type, e.g., line, zigzag, contour, line spacing, and other related parameters. Another essential and frequently used tool is the Place Original Text button. Adjust the font size and position so it's properly aligned within the marking area of your workpiece. Then, click the red light preview button to see the approximate marking area of the laser. This helps you visually confirm the position and coverage before starting the actual engraving. Next, set the following parameters. Field size, 30 x mm. Speed, s 1500 mm per second. Power, P50W. Frequency, f30 kHz. These settings will determine how the laser marks your material. Adjust them as needed based on your specific material and desired marking effect. Once you've confirmed all settings are correct, click the Mark button. The laser machine will then start operating. After just a few seconds, your first laser marking is complete. On the left side is the toolbar, the most frequently used area in EZCAD. It includes the following key functions. Selection tool, arrow used to select and move objects. Drawing tools. Create basic shapes and elements such as rectangles, circles, text, curves, QR codes, and more. Layer management controls the marking order, Z order, of different objects. That's it for Chapter 1 of our ESCAD tutorial. You've now learned how to connect your laser machine to your computer, the basic ESCAD interface and essential tools. In the next episode, we'll cover basic operations, importing and editing graphics/text, plus alignment, rotation, and scaling for precise marking control. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bluetimes official channel for more laser tutorials and demos. See you next time.